What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Opensea on your Android device. Keep watching this video to know how you can do so, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, plus press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos. To download the application on your device, open the Play Store. From there, in the search bar, type in Opensea. Now you could see the application of Opensea. To download it, simply tap on Install. After you tap Install, the application will start to download on your device. After the download has been completed, it will start to automatically install. After the installation has been completed, you'll see an option to open the application. Tap on Open. And just like that, Opensea has been downloaded and installed on your Android device.